Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release at a small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great investment. It's Friday, November the 20th. Typically slow news cycle day, but we do have two pretty good press releases for you, both out of the resources and energy space. Starting off first with Ventana Gold, trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol VEN. No stranger to resource investors. This has probably been the market darling of the year, and I'll tell you why in a second. First, the headline today, they announced that additional drill results and step-out drilling on the El Cuatro confirms extension of the La Mascota mineralization. Infill drilling has intercepted 110 meters of 4.8 grams per ton of gold. That's a monster number. That was hole number LB 147. That is the highlight and the headline hole. Steve Orr, the company's CEO, gave us some more information in his quote when he said, "We expect to report our first National Instrument 43101 compliant resource by the end of the first quarter of 2010. No doubt investors are really waiting on that. Why is it the market darling? 52-week low, 11.5 cents. Closed yesterday, $12.67. How's that for a great return in the resources? Congratulations to everybody over there. 52-week high is 12.91 in point of note as well. So they're hovering right at that top end, and it doesn't look like they're losing any momentum anytime soon. That's Ventana Gold. Next up, switching to the U.S., we got Mass Megawatts Wind Power, OTC MMGW. They announced today that their Pennsylvania-based licensee has executed a $5.8 million agreement with John Giannakopoulos, who is a principal of a leading architectural firm and who heads up a consortium of wind power investors from the Scranton area. Giannakopoulos and his investors are going to purchase about 3 megawatts of Mass Megawatts turbo system. That's patented. They'll be installed as a series of wind power projects to be sited in northeastern Pennsylvania. Got to like that, a $5.8 million deal coming out of a wind power company. A little bit more about Mass Megawatts. Their developer, they say, of low-cost wind energy production systems, and in fact, they say their patented system is capable of generating electricity at a 40% less cost than traditional wind power technologies. Today's press release may be a little credence to that because you get someone buying $5.8 million worth of it, so definitely worth keeping track of. Also, what I liked, company closed yesterday at 52 cents. Their 52-week low is 51 cents. Their high is $1.74. So they're hovering at and then near their low. Got to make sure, first of all, when you do your due diligence, that there isn't any negative events that led it to get down to its low. So you got to do your own due diligence. But if not, if it's just a case of market waiting for the company to execute and maybe getting a little tired and the stock drifting, this may be the catalyst. This may be the press release that the marketplace was waiting for in order to get it back up closer to its 52-week high, which is $1.74 at current prices. Gives you about a $3.67 million market cap, and they just did a $5.8 million deal. That tells you that they may be onto something there. And finally, don't forget, save the date, December 3rd and 4th, the AGORACOM online Gold and Commodities Conference is the first pure online conference for gold and resource and energy investors anywhere around the world. For the first time ever, from the comfort of your home, you're going to be able to watch company presentations and interact with management of public companies who are going to be sitting in the comfort of their offices. It's December 3rd and 4th. Registration is free. Go to the front page of agoracom.com. You'll see the conference ad at the top. You'll see the conference tab in the menu. All sorts of ways for you to see it. Get in there, register, take a look at all the companies we've added on the last couple of days. More to come. And the keynote speakers is what we're really bragging about. Peter Grandich, Eric Coffin, no stranger to resource investors out there. On the macroeconomic side, Barry Ritholtz and Paul Kudrowski, the number 1 and 2 ranked bloggers on the planet. They're going to be giving keynote speeches there as well. And in addition, more guys coming up. We've got a couple of guys that we're going to announce the next couple of days. So get over to the AGORACOM conferences and help us spread the word. Tell everybody about that. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap resource information, you watch this on Globe Investor. Look below me or to my left to see all the great news, or get to the front page of AGORACOM. We got this show and all the news and the marketplace right there for you. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.